Hi everyone, this is a short follow-up on my last video. In that clip I showed how you can build your own networking lab. Today I will show how you can lower the resources required by each virtual router and also how you can make the management console work directly from GNS3. Let's go! We will start from the hypervisor by selecting the virtual machine we want to edit. After we select it, we can click Edit Virtual Machine Settings here or right click it and click Settings here. The same page will open. Under Memory, we want to give it a lower amount of memory. 2 gigs of RAM is the lowest amount of RAM I was able to give it and boot without any problems. By going with lower amounts of memory, I ran into some issues. So we will click Save. But not yet. I also want to give it a serial port, and this will be required in order to configure console management directly from GNS3. I will click Save now and boot the image. We will see each other in a bit after it finishes. Okay, here we are in the router's console from the hypervisor, and now we will go to the global configuration mode and type the command platform console and go with serial. We will save the configuration, copy, run, start, click OK, and now we will shut down the router from the hypervisor and move to GNS3 to make the proper adjustments. Now we can close the hypervisor and focus our attention to the GNS3 setup. In GNS3, we will start by selecting the router we want to edit. We will right-click it and select Configure Template. Here, under Console Type, we will select Telnet, and we can also check this Start VM in Headless Mode checkbox. By selecting this, every time we start our router in the GNS3 topology, the hypervisor will not be launched. It will run in the background. We press OK and we drag and drop our router in the topology. We will start it, and now to access the management console we have 2 options. Either we double click on the router from our topology, or we can do, let me make the font bigger, we can do a telnet localhost, and we will want to telnet on the port indicated here. Let me show you where. I will highlight it. We will want to use this command. Okay, so telnet localhost 5001, and we will get the same output from here. This was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, click the like button, and also don't forget to check out other clips from the channel. Bye.